Have you ever wondered how the blessed month of Ramzan makes our hearts shine brighter than the stars? In a cozy home filled with love lived a curious boy named Amir, his cheerful sister Layla, and their wise grandmother who had the warmest smile in the world.
One evening, as the crescent moon appeared in the sky, Amir asked his grandmother a question that had been dancing in his mind. Why do we fast during Ramzan, Grandma? How does it help our souls?
Grandmother gathered the children close and began to explain. My dear ones, Ramzan is like a special gift from Allah. When we fast, we're not just staying away from food and water. We're training our hearts to be patient, kind, and grateful. When our tummies feel hungry, Amir, we remember all the people in the world who don't have enough to eat. This makes us more caring and generous. That's how fasting purifies our souls. And there's more, continued Grandmother with a twinkle in her eye. During Ramzan, we pray more, read the Quran, and think about all the good things we can do. It's like giving our hearts a special cleaning, washing away any unkind thoughts or selfish feelings.
Layla's eyes lit up. So it's like when we clean our room, but we're cleaning our hearts instead?
Exactly, my sweet child. And when we help others, share our food, forgive people who hurt us, and say kind words, our souls become pure and beautiful, just like sparkling diamonds.
Throughout that Ramzan, Amir and Layla tried their best. They helped their mother, shared their toys, said extra prayers, and even saved their allowance to give to charity. With each good deed, they felt their hearts growing lighter and happier. On the joyful day of Eid, as the family celebrated together, Amir and Layla understood. Ramzan had taught them that purifying the soul means filling your heart with love, kindness, patience, and gratitude. And when your soul is pure, you shine from the inside out, making the whole world a brighter place.